my first night, first time ever, boondocking at Walmart. It was just an easy, quick place to stop. The wind started kicking up. Okay, the wind started kicking up, and I don't know, it's about 4:45. So I pulled over here, got set up, got permission to stay here. They're very RV friendly, by the way. Emporia, Kansas is where I'm at. The address here is 2301 Industrial Road, Emporia, Kansas. So anyway, yeah, I got all set up. They didn't mind that it was a pop-up, so I did that. I am going to run into Walmart. I cannot get my fridge to work on the propane. I have tried to level this thing. I thought they fixed it at the TrailManor plant. Well, they did. It did work. But I can't get it to work. So I'm just going to put everything in my ice chest and run and get some dry ice from Walmart and pack everything in that for the night. And probably I've got 3, 4, maybe 5 videos that are done and ready to be uploaded. So I'll drag my laptop with me and get those uploaded. And what I do is I upload a video and they get published or posted every other day. So that's why my videos are so far behind where I am. Anyway, today is Wednesday, September 25th. And I don't know how far out my move. Well, I've got 4 or 5 to upload, so you probably won't see this for a good 2 weeks. So that's what's going on. It'll be my first night also of seeing how my solar works, my batteries. With the fridge on, it doesn't do real good on electric, on the battery. But right now it's at 12.5, so we'll see how it does tonight. And then I'll take off tomorrow, and I'm going to, let me find out, yeah, I'll be in Pratt tomorrow. It's only 162 miles away. I may keep driving. I'm not sure. I may keep going and end up in Guymon, Oklahoma. Anyway. So that's the plan, that's what I'm doing, and I'm headed into Walmart, and I'll talk to you later.